Firstly, you can see the treatment has the main vacuum has and combined. This machine combined many multifunction has included the bipolar, included the multipolar, the microcurrent has for the skin forming and the skin tightening. Also, it has one cooling head, which you can use it for after treatment skin care, calm down the skin and make a better customer feeling. Also, with one ultrasound head, it can output the ultrasound energy to stimulate the skin and make a better skin tightening results. You can see three bottles. Firstly, this one is different to the Aqua Clean. These two bottles, you can use one solid water, one bottle for the solid water and another for the pure water. Also, you can combine use with your lactic acid or the salicylic acid or the nutrition or the hyaluronic acid. You can mix with the water by 3 and 1 points, so you can make your own treatment. And this bottle is for the impurities. It will make the impurities filter all the dust and the impurity will come to this bottle with the water. Then finally, you can exhaust them by open the water pour, and the impurity will output with the water together. Now I try to introduce the system. And the first one, the aqua abrasion, the main function do the skin tightening, do the skin cleaning. Here you can set the time, the working time from 1 to 30 minutes. Well, 1 to 60 minutes. Okay. And when you press the start, the time will be reducing. And here, the water will come from here to another side. You will see the difference. This is a flow button. You can change the flow rate. When you turn to the right, the vacuum will be stronger and the flow rate will be slower. When you turn to the left, the vacuum will be less and the water flow will be stronger and faster. Same to the Aqua Clean, you can change the different treatment heads. We have various heads for your use, like the large, the middle, and the small. And this is for the skin cleaning heads. Yeah. Before treatment, you can make the cosmetic procedure or do the cleaning procedure. And the first hair is the same to the Aqua Clean. You move on the skin. And here you can make it to vacuum stronger. Probably skin will do some reaction, the release, the same to the Aqua Clean. After the Aqua Clean treatment, second, you may use the bipolar. The bipolar, microcurrent, the bipolar has to do the skin forming. Start with the 0. You can set the energy level from 0 to 10 and set it according to the customer's feeling. The microcurrent can stimulate the skin tightening and stimulate the muscle, so make a forming skin. You will feel a little tingle. That's no problem. And the third, the multipolar microcurrent has the using for the massage and do the same function as the bipolar. After you do the bipolar, you may do an integral massage with these hands. The customer should feel more or less the heart during the treatment, and it can stimulate the blood circulation, also can stimulate the muscle, can stimulate the skin forming. Besides these three basic handle, this portable machine consider the aftercare, so combine the one cooling head, which you can combine using with other machine after treatment. It can, for example, the IPL, the data laser, when the customer's skin being heated or being stimulated, you can use this cold head to do some aftercare. It's very cool. It's very cool. Keep the 0 to 3 Celsius touch cooling, so it can calm down the skin surface and reduce the uncomfortable feeling. The last one is the ultrasound head. The ultrasound head. Everyone knows the ultrasound can transfer the ultrasound energy to the skin level, to the very deep level, and it can reach a specific temperature. The heart can reach a specific temperature to stimulate the collagen reproduction to get better skin. The same 1 to 10 level, and you use this ultrasound to do some massage and treatment. During the treatment, the water comes to the right bottle. Finally, when the water fulfill this bottle, you may need to do the exhaust by clicking here, turn this key, turn this button to the left, then the water will come out. Okay. And it should be repeated and changed very frequently. Generally, only do the treatment for one person, and you should change this bottle.